Hey, so your iPhone camera is looking blurry like this and your photos aren't coming out sharp. This actually happens when the lens is dirty, the camera can't focus, or the settings is turned on by mistake. Don't worry, let's fix this blurriness on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or new iPhone Air in the quickest way possible. So first you can try by cleaning the camera lenses. So just grab soft microfiber cloth or a clean gentle cloth. Just avoid tissue paper because it can scratch the lens. If the lens is oily or very dirty, just add a small amount of alcohol to the cloth and gently wipe the lenses until they are clean and clear. Now check your camera. If it's still blurry, now you can check your phone case. Just cases, press on the camera bump and block the focus. Just remove the case and test the camera again. If it becomes clear without the case, then your case is the problem. Next, try by restart your iPhone. Just press volume up button, then volume down button once, and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Because sometimes a quick restart can fix camera bugs. After restarting, just reset any camera settings you turn on accidentally. So just from your camera app, turn off any effects or filters and reset anything you may have enabled. Now check some camera settings from the settings app. So just from your settings app, go to camera, and now from here you will find this option view outside the frame. Just turn this off because sometimes this makes the preview look soft or blurry. So from your camera app, you have to scroll down and here you have to find the option macro control and make sure it's turned off. And now from this lens correction, turn this off too because turning this off, it can cause soft edge in both photos and videos. Next, you have to switch between your lenses properly. Now open the camera and try 1x, 2x, 4x, 5x and try to avoiding numbers like 1.5, 2.9 or anything like this because these are digital zoom points and cause blur. And try to stick to the main lenses only. And beside that, make sure to check one more lens area. This teeny black dot is the LiDAR focus sensor. See, if it's dirty, gently clean that spot too because a blocked LiDAR sensor can also cause focuses issue. And finally, if nothing works for you, you can reset all settings. So from your settings, then general, and from transfer or reset iPhone, hit reset and then you have to choose this reset all settings option. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your data, it only resets system settings and often fixes camera bugs. In most cases, a camera focusing issue on your iPhone is caused by a hardware problem. So if you notice that your camera isn't focusing properly, it could be a sign of hardware damage. So in this situation, it's best to take your iPhone to a nearby authorized repair shop or an Apple store so they can properly check your device and identify the exact reason behind the camera focus issue. Check which one fixes your camera and let us know. Make a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.